motherfuckers. Nigga, I'm from Kentucky. We don't fucking have fucking tornadoes, nigga. The fuck? Shit ain't fucking safe. Get my ass up. My motherfucking ass up. I'll tell ya. Fuck it, we gonna talk about this shit. We got Trey. We got Trey in this bitch. I'm making a tornado video.
Man, get that shit out of my damn face.
I'm making a tornado video like that ass. I don't give a fuck, nigga.
Let's just keep the kids safe for another
Keep the kids safe. Hide your wives, hide your kids. Put them bitches in the basement. We don't have one, so I do have my tub ready with my blanket and my pillow and a mattress. Somebody said a mattress. I don't know where these methods come from, but I got a mattress to throw on top of my ass because it's going down. Okay. Y'all wondering what county I'm in, because I know everybody watching the motherfucking news. If you wonder what the fuck county I'm in Tarrant County. Arlington, Texas. That's 30 minutes from Dallas. And 23 minutes from Fort Worth. Yeah, we watching the news. What? The shit froze. Oh, shit. The fuck? They gonna knock out AT&T, y'all. We ain't gonna have this shit. What the fuck we gonna do? Damn, look at that shit. What is that, church? Oh, that's a nursing home. Damn, it's a nursing home. And it's a rehab center? Oh, fuck that. Whoever. Somebody probably got out that bitch and went ham. Oh, shit. I love my Facebook friends. I love my Twitter followers. I love my Downing Link hoes. What else I got? Shit. I love everybody. Subscribe me on YouTube. I'm trying to get YouTube famous. I already got like 10,000 views. But follow me on Twitter.
I'm scared of my damn self.
Follow me on Twitter.
I'm scared of my damn self. I don't got my daughter. She's with her daddy. Aaliyah, if you
This
get
is our
to
tornado
see this,
story.
Mommy fucking loves you. Fucking love you.
This is our tornado story. Follow me on Twitter at Latrice. I'm gay. Team. Bitch, you better follow.
Follow me on Twitter at Bitch I Know It's Real.
It's so I know it's real. It's so I know it's real. Oh, shit. Let's stop the video. Well, the tornado's over. So, yeah. It's done. It passed through. Didn't hit nobody. Over here.
I wasn't scared.
I was.
I wasn't scared.
I was scared like a hoe.
This nigga's hiding in the bathtub. I wasn't, yeah, she was hiding in the tub.
Daddy called me and was like, get in that top! Get in that top! And I was like, okay, Daddy. Me and Tip, we in that thing. But yeah, warning's over. It got canceled. So, I still love all y'all though. Mama Nikki's okay. I talked to Nikki. So if you see this video, she's okay. She called me back.